As of this moment, the United States has been placed on high alert due to the arrival of unidentified objects on Earth. The federal government is committed to providing full transparency to its citizens regarding this unprecedented event, and will continue to do so until its resolution. At 3:35 p.m., multiple unidentified objects were observed landing in sparsely populated areas within the U.S. The beings that emerged, whom we will refer to as aliens, appeared to be establishing some sort of small encampment. We currently have no knowledge of their capabilities, origins, or whether there are more of them. However, our primary objective is to maintain peace while ensuring the safety of our citizens. We urge everyone to refrain from spreading misinformation about this emergency situation. Violators of this directive will face a fine of $1,000, with repeat offenders subject to imprisonment. It is imperative that there be no attempt to
Attention to all inhabitants of Earth. We bear a message of utmost importance. We have observed your present as if it were the past, seen through the lens of the future. What we have discerned is that your planet dwells in a state of unconsciousness, unaware of the future that looms ahead. The path ahead is fraught with challenges that surpass imagination, from anomalies to conflicts, wars, and natural disasters. We pledge to stand by you, ensuring readiness for any eventuality. What is truly remarkable is our collective capacity to effect change. By heeding our cause and staying informed about our discoveries, we can safeguard this planet for generations to come. The time has come to awaken, to prepare oneself, and to remain vigilant. While some advocate expecting the unexpected, we advocate readiness, for preparedness is our greatest ally. Our primary platform for disseminating broadcasts and sharing our endeavors to ensure the safety of humanity and all life forms is our YouTube channel. Despite opposition from a faction of your world, we remain steadfast in our mission to foster a better world. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have supported us on our secondary channel as our journey unfolds. We are the Azuki Astral Guardians, committed to alerting the world to the exigencies of preparedness in a future that continually tests our readiness.
What inspired you all to become what you are now?
It all stems from a deep-seated recognition of the interconnectedness of humanity and the planet we inhabit. Throughout history, we've witnessed the consequences of being ill-prepared for various challenges, whether they be natural disasters, pandemics, or environmental crises. Observing the vulnerabilities we face as a species, and recognizing the immense potential for harm in an increasingly complex world, served as a catalyst for our dedication to proactive measures. It's not just about reacting to crises as they occur, but rather about fostering a culture of foresight, resilience, and preparedness.
Is the intergalactic cheese still a threat?
After consulting with the Analytic Intelligence Bureau, it has been confirmed that the entity in question does not currently pose a threat, nor is it anticipated to do so in the foreseeable future. Nevertheless, proactive measures can be implemented to ensure preparedness in the event of any potential occurrence.
After a stinging loss at the face of the YouTube system, how did the Guardians find the strength to continue on in their journey? Do you expect the same cosmic mistake to strike again? And if so, how have you prepared for it?
With our primary mission steadfastly in focus, we are empowered to persistently produce and disseminate our broadcasts to reach the widest audience possible. As our message resonates, we anticipate a deterrent effect against similar occurrences in the future.